everything around me's going peachy. Living larger than an Arizona sweeties.
Actually, hindi namin talaga siya expected nung una. Kasi parang 4 months na bago namin nalaman. Sobrang tuwa kasi syempre, naging ate na yung una naming baby. Kasi yun, dumating siya. Sobrang saya namin, daddy niya. Happy birthday, baby! Wish ko lang sa'yo is lumaki kang healthy at saka maging mabuti kang bata. Siyempre, makikinig ka palagi sa amin, saka lumaki kang healthy. Love you!
Happy birthday, baby Oziana Octavia. Mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy. Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana lumaki kang mabuti kagaya ng ate mo. Makinig ka sa amin ni Mommy and Daddy. Maging masunurin, maging mabait. Wish you all the best, anak. I love you.
It's the best day ever. All my friends are hanging out together. Look outside and I see perfect weather. I can't imagine anything better. Whatever, it's the best day. Nowhere to be, nothing to do. I've never seen a sky so blue. I think I finally.
Meow, 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 meow.
Swerte sa tindahan to, Nag-practice,
I think I finally made it. Like a little flower poking through the pavement. Yeah, I'm just marching to my own beat. Dancing
Happy birthday, baby! Oh! Happy birthday!
like just living the dream. I'll say it again. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. All my friends are hanging out together. Look outside and I see perfect weather.
Promise ko lang sa bunso ko sa ngayon na iingatan namin siya at saka susuportahan lang namin siya sa lahat ng mga magiging gusto niya in the future. Tsaka syempre, hindi namin siya pipigilan pero alalayan namin siya sa lahat ng mga gagawin niya.
I promise na hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Andito lang ako palagi para sa inyo. Ni Mami, ni Ate at ikaw, bunso. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
I can't imagine anything better. Whatever, it's the best day. It's the best day.
Bibi O, happy birthday. I love you, Bibi. At sa anak ko, Cha, na happy birthday.
All my friends are hanging out together. I wish that it could be like
Mahilig kasi kami dagat-dagat, ganyan. Kumbaga yung ate niya pangalan Isla. Siya naman, Oziana. Ay siyang ocean.
it's the best day.
Happy birthday, baby O. We love you so much.